How to enable or disable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on General, Management. Then scroll down, and in here, we tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, go down, then tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. And from here, tap on Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now you can further customize the settings by tapping on the left hand side panel. In here, you can also turn on the shortcut or switch it off. It is added to your accessibility button down here. And so go back. And in here, we can choose to read out characters, words, or both characters and word. For capital letters, it can say capital or do nothing, change pitch or play sound. It can also read deleted characters aloud in phonetic alphabet. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.